Alright, people. So now we're gonna react to Stevie Ray Vaughan, Texas Flood, live at El Mocambo. So now, well, a lot of the Jimi Hendrix songs they say that he's a good guitarist too, but he passed away too. So let's see. This I know they tell us to react to studio versions like audio, but this one I have to react to the live one because it was from like one of the early followers, and
Oh,
he's the one that reacted recommended the Jimi Hendrix live version. So let's see.
yeah.
Well, it's flooding down in Texas. All of the telephone lines are down.
I like it. My question to you at the end is gonna be who's better, him or Jimmy? Don't answer now. Think about it. Listen to this, and we're gonna react to that. Cause that's how we rediscover him through the Jimmy stuff. So, but so far I like it.
Well, it's flooding down in Texas. All of the telephone lines are down. Well, I've been trying to call my baby. Lord, I can't get a single sound. Well, dark clouds are rolling. Man, and I'm standing out in the road. Well, dark clouds are rolling. Man, and I'm standing out in the road. Well, the water keep a rolling. Man's about to drive post Stevie Ray inside.
He has a good voice.
Yeah.
He has a good voice. thing is, so I've never played the guitar like an instrument. How easy is to just fuck that up? I wonder how easy it is to just because he's playing his fingers running through the whole guitar and the whole thing. How easy is to him just miss one little like his finger fall in the other thing and like in another space and just fuck the whole thing up. I don't know how.
Oh yeah.
Because for me, like just playing like a little thing in a guitar hard. Now imagine this shit. And he's singing and you can tell he's been doing it for some time because he's sweating his ass off.
shines every day.
So, I got some shit, but what do you thought?
About the song?
What did you think of it overall?
It was good.
But, why do I feel like there's a but?
Like, I was getting kind of bored because, like, it was just like,
I mean,
just a guitar.
What do you mean?
Like, there was barely any singing. Like,
yeah, but I mean, that was entertaining. Like for me personally, I'd be like, holy shit. Cause the thing he did with the guitar, not a lot of motherfuckers could do that. So it's like that just alone is talent. Put it in his back and kept singing. And you can tell by the performance he's had some time. He was doing it. He was saying he was sweating so much.
He was sweating
so
much.
He was probably performing for hella long. So
yeah.
I mean, for me, it was hard. Like in my mind, I'm thinking like, okay, so it was a recommendation through the Jimi Hendrix songs, but then hearing this is like, holy fuck, it's not you can't compare them, but to me it was like fuck, like if you was put them to side, like if you was to tell me right now you're going to a Jimi Hendrix concert or a concert of Stevie Ray, I'll be like fuck, like I'll be like damn son, like I don't know which one. Because half of me would want to watch Jimmy, but at the same time, now I want to watch more of this guy. Like, he has that good voice. And I'm going to say this, probably going to piss more people off.
Okay.
But by hearing this song and hearing this voice, I feel like he probably has a better voice than Jimmy.
Don't ever say that again.
Come on, man.
No.
What? That voice? Like, I like this guy's... As guitar, Jimi Hendrix. As voice, this guy.
No.
Come on, man.
Jimi Hendrix all the way.
Jimi Hendrix probably has better lyrics, but
he does.
Like I said, the comparison is so hard to make.
It's not hard.
It's not by a mile. Jimi Hendrix is not better than him by a mile. For me, it's maybe. It's a hit and miss, but yeah, I really like this one. For me, this is a 10, could be an 11.
You're crazy.
I liked it. It's, yeah.
Yeah.
Especially like when we saw the Jimi Hendrix, the Hey Joe, that's the one that introduced this. Like, that's what I'm comparing to. The first introduction from Jimi Hendrix and the first introduction from this one. He played the back in his teeth, okay, but he didn't sing. He did all that, but he didn't sing. Jimmy. This dude had the guitar in the back of his back for a couple minutes and sang.
But then he played the guitar with his teeth.
Okay, he didn't play with his guitar.
Exactly, so I don't know.
I don't know. For me, I really liked it. Like, then he brought it down, built it up, and then my main thing, because like I said, I never played the guitar, how easy it is to fuck it up.
Really easy.
Because the guitar is right here, and then he's playing below over here. When he's going like this and things like going like that, how easy it is for him to just like his pinky go to another place and just fuck everything up. That's my main thing. Because me looking at it is like, holy shit, this is hella hard.
Yeah.
But yeah. So we like this. Thank you to everybody who recommended this, and let us know, who do you think is better? Am I crazy or is she crazy?
He's crazy.
So which one, or are we both crazy if we're trying to compare them? But probably. I had to make the comparison. I liked it. Thank you, and you guys have a good day. And if you got any other information or stories regarding to this song or this artist, let us know in the comment section.